Polycystic ovarian syndrome (PCOS) is a common condition seen in young girls these days. Although it is very common, it is often surrounded by myths and misconceptions. Hi, I am Dr. Anusha Rao, consultant obstetrician, gynecologist and laparoscopic surgeon, Yashoda Hospital, Secunderabad. Can PCOS make you infertile forever? No, PCOS per se does not cause permanent infertility. Although because of the hormonal changes, ovulation can be little irregular in many women with PCOD, but with early diagnosis, detecting the problem where it's going wrong, and with proper treatment choices, say lifestyle changes, proper medications, and some women might even require assisted reproductive techniques, and provided everything is being followed in a proper timeline, it is possible for many women to successfully have a good pregnancy outcome. Is eating chocolate the cause for PCOS? No, eating chocolate alone does not cause PCOS. PCOS is a hormonal and a metabolic problem which is mostly influenced by lifestyle choices and sometimes even genetics. Insulin resistance is a key factor that can increase PCOS in women. Eating chocolate in moderation or eating everything in portion control, proper moderation can help tackle many metabolic problems including PCOS. Can drinking herbal tea cure PCOS in one night? No, herbal tea does not cure PCOS overnight. Sometimes some teas containing spearmint, green teas may regulate hormones over a long run. But PCOS itself is a long-term condition which requires long-term medication, sustainable lifestyle choices, proper medication and under a proper guidance is important to be treated for PCOD. Is PCOS just an excuse for gaining weight? No, PCOS is a real medical condition that affects metabolism and may lead to increased weight gain in some women. While it is extremely important to have a proper weight loss and maintain a certain weight to fit into a proper normal BMI range is important, but blaming PCOS as an excuse for a lack of effort may hamper the progress. Does PCOD only affect overweight women? No, PCOS can affect women of all weight ranges, but if somebody is obese, then PCOD can get worsened due to insulin resistance. But sometimes leaner women also experience PCOD in terms of hormonal disturbances, irregular cycles, and sometimes even issues with getting pregnant. So PCOD is a really complex condition affecting women across all weight ranges. Is exercise bad for women with PCOS? No, exercise is actually beneficial in women with PCOS. Regular workouts can improve insulin sensitivity, promote weight loss, as well as regulate hormones. But excessive or high intensity workouts, especially with poor recovery, may even elevate stress hormones. A good workout regimen needs to include strength training and moderate cardio to increase the beneficial effects and to make use of these effects in managing PCOS. Does having PCOS guarantee you will never have clear skin again? While hormonal fluctuations may lead to persistent breakouts, having a balanced lifestyle, taking hormonal medications and being under supervision of a dermatologist will improve your chances of achieving a clear skin and a proper skin health. Many women with PCOD go on to achieve a clear skin with such management. Thank you.